Another day in Dino Squad. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I am more better than ever, and we're going to be playing some Dino Squad. So before we start the video, please like and subscribe. And for those you guys who I know, I'm going to be, right now, I'm going to be announcing a new vlog. Yes, a new vlog out of the state, basically, out of my state. And we're going to be doing a vlog really soon for the next video. So I'll have to see how many episodes are going to be, and I'll give you guys an update once the next video is going to be up. And yes, it's going to be another video like that. So before we start the video, please like and subscribe, and let's go on the video. So I'm thinking for my next Dino Squad video, I'm going to be going back on the main account, trying to do Dominus. Yeah, getting really close. So wait. Hang on, this is new. They added some new stuff. Armor resistance, critical chance. Ooh, they actually added some stuff. Okay, not bad. They added some. So he has a critical chance now. Order, religion, confident. Ooh, okay, good. So, wait, guys, let's do the daily one. Hang on. All right, let's do this. So, all right, not bad. That's kind of trash. That's kind of bad. Yeah, that is bad. Alright, well, without further ado, let's get in that one for long. Now let's do this. The bay. Alright, gotta walk in here. Guys, we can do this. We are the Scrabby. Yes, and as you guys know, I got some armor. Actually, I've always been having this. Alright, let's see. Oh god, we have Velociraptor. That's not good. Oh yes, no, I'm not gonna argue. He's cooked! Can I get over here? No, it's that Edison. I'd win, exactly, I'd win. Yeah, I'd win. No, you were not going anywhere. Buddy, you were going nowhere. Hold up. Buddy, you are going nowhere. Buddy, you're going nowhere. Stop running. Runner? Don't you dare try, huh? Hey, you're cooked. GG. Oh, no. Oh, I cannot do that. Oh, no. Yes. Get out. Yeah, Take that. You're cooked, too. No. Get him. Threat. You're a big threat. Help! Lost our friend! No! Oh, it's big damage! Yes! No, please. No, I'd win. Here, try. Don't you dare even try! Exactly! Timothy for, you see here, I was kind of mistaken. Oh, you wanna go now? Yeah, we're kind of getting cooked here. Oh, ow. Keep on ground. Oh, help. No, we'll attack together. Yeah, we're attacking together. Teamwork makes the dream work. Exactly. Oh yeah, I'm getting kind of cooked here. No! You know that I'm weaker. Yes! Edison! Yes, coming clutch! You! Oh, you're cooked. No. Oh, we're cooking. Ow. Oh, shoot. Ow. Oh, no. Oh, we're in trouble. Yeah, we're kind of getting cooked here. Oh god, yeah, he's going after me. Oh, he's cooking me. Oh, I'm dead. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, hang on, I gotta help. No, I'm not letting you take down my father. Ouch. You know what? I don't think you need any help, right? Yeah, don't think so. I'm too myself. Now, who do you think you are? Hang on a minute. Who do you think you are? You're not him. I'll tell you. Here, come. That one's a threat. Yep, we're taking this back. Hang on a minute. No, this is ours. This is ours, chat. Oh, you're not him. I'm sorry to say, you're not him. You got your him, but you're not. Because you got killed. And you also. Oh, guys, where are you guys going? Oh, yes, take him down. What are you doing? No. I will stand up for my parents for all of this. Get over here. Get over here. I don't care. I honestly do not care. I'm gonna take you down whatever I can do. Yes! Let's go. I did it. Wait. Well, as you guys can see, our Ooh, get over here, huh? I don't care, I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you. Oh, I'm scared of you. I'm actually really scared of you. You know that? You kind of make me not scared. Get over here. Get over here. Get over. Ow! Ow! It's dangerous. Ah! Wait, that's mean. You know, I'm so sorry, man. Alright, that was so mean. Whoever that is, I'm sorry, bro. If you're watching this right now, I'm so sorry. Get over here. Black. I caught you lacking. I caught you lacking. I caught you lacking. I'm sorry, I know you're new to the game, but you're gonna have to experience this. Oh, and I'm gonna experience what you're doing right now. Ouch, ouch. And cook. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Ow! Oh God, he's cooked. He's cooked. You guys can do this. Guys, come on. He's not. He's one tap. What are you guys doing? There's no way I can lose to you. What? Oh yeah, I have a skill issue. Yeah, I have a skill issue. Oh no, I have a skill issue. Is that a big guy? Alright, hang on. I gotta be careful here. Alright, hang on. Attack from far range. Alright, let's go. We won. First round, we won. Well, I don't want to make this too long, so we'll just do one more round and end the video. Ooh, let's see what we get. Please. No. Alright, finish the battle. Boom. Ooh, new season 2. Yo, I'm gonna grind that. I'll grind it. I'll see if I even can. 50. So wait a minute. Hints. What is this, bro? What? No one's hints. Alright. Well, we can do one more. Oh, wait. Let's check. If we reach another level, we can get. Ooh, wait. You know, I'm gonna try getting that. Let me see something. What can we get here? Okay. Alright, well, let's do this. Alright, knocking. Oh, okay, we have, please, please, oh, yes. We are, oh, okay, not bad. As everyone said, don't judge a book by its cover. Yeah, I was kind of right, because, no. I have a life, okay? I'm not gonna take that. You know what? I'm taking it. I don't care. I'll take it back. Stop. Please stop. Yes. Thank you. I'm being carried out by 2 little guys. I'm kind of dead here. Unless my teammate. Nope. Yeah, these guys. I remember how annoying and annoying. Get over here. You know what? Get over here. I don't care. Let's fight. Let's fight it out. You're scared of me. You're scared of me. I'm not scared of you at all. Oh my, there's so much little guys. Yeah, there is so much. Oh, press all this. Easy. So easy. Things will be easy. Going zigzag, we can never hit. Easy. Alright, let's go. Free tower? Nope, nope, not a free tower, not a free tower. I beg for mercy, I beg for mercy, I beg for mercy, I beg for mercy. Yeah, he listen to me? Oh, no, he's not. Oh, no. Nah, I'd win. Get away, get away. I'm kind of losing this kid, but you know what, we'll still take him on. Okay, kind of cool. Get out. Get out of here. I'm gonna keep on following you. No! You know what? I've been Boy, look. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. He's low. I'm getting you until you're dead. Let's go. I got him. Yeah, I'm trying to stop. Yeah, so far we're getting rationally. Alright, well, goal. I can't fight him. You gotta use tactics here. Come on. Nope. Nope. Move on. We'll do this. Oh, easy. This is simple. Simple. No, I'm not letting you come back here. Pause. This has to be one of the greatest comebacks of all. Oh, shoot. 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 Oh, that's danger. That's danger. Okay, that's also danger. Oh, that's even more danger. Don't you dare. Don't you dare even try. You're cooked. You're cooked. You might cook me, but I won't even try, because I'm going to go for this free tower. He does not know this. Good. Taking that, thank you. Oh, nope. Nope. Nope, gotta hide. Yeah, gotta run. Gotta run. I know he sees me, but still run. Okay, he's cooking me up, but run. Get him. Go weird. Dodge underneath. Yes! Oh my god, I'm one tap. I'm one tap. Shoot. Nah! He caught me. Caught me back. Okay, hang on. Got our strategy here. There you go. Get him. Can we use the power this guy? Go here. Get mark. Who's this? Okay. That guy's dangerous. Ooh! Easy kill. Easy kill, bud. Okay. Wait, he wants to go for you. Let's go for you instead. attacks, easy. Okay. I mean, I should not be saying easy. Not easy. That was not easy, actually. No offense. Yeah, bro. Why are these snipers just coming in? Like, you know that you guys are not gonna make it. You're not making it. I'm sorry to say. Monster. I'm a monster. Hold on a minute. Let's become more of a monster. Alright, you know what? Get over here. Ouch! Wait! That is so strong. Nope. Alright, now you run. Now you run. Now you run. Now you gotta run. Oh, you gotta be a little bit wise here. Alright. So, there's two big guys. And those are the only ones left. And now just go full on charge. We get the tower. Yeah, come on. We gotta run. We don't want to get cooked here. Okay, run. Run. You don't want to lose. Nope. Yes, we can get him out. Nope. Easy. Oh, that was a close one. You gotta have strategy and stuff, but you can't always go in. Dead 4 times. Cooked. I don't have to worry about this person. Alright. Well, geez, all you guys, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys like and subscribe, I'm the MVP. Let's go! And I will see all of you. Hang on. Let me show you guys some stuff. Ooh, 100. We're gonna first claim all the rewards and see what we got. We're getting a lot of good season rewards. Ooh, that's a lot of them. Collect all. Ooh, hang on, we can do some spins here. We're gonna do some spins. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Please. Oh! It's actually good to get some good stuff. So how much do we have left of that? 55. Alright, you guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like and subscribe, it would be really much appreciated. Here are the stats. Yep, not that bad. Alright, see you later. Bye!